Good morning. It is February 12th, Thursday, going on to the 7 o'clock hour here in Atlanta. I am Ricky. I want to talk about Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin from VWAPs and Golden Pocket perspectives. So let's see what we got this morning. So yesterday we were talking about some more down, and I was also saying, hey, if we start finding support here at our weekly GP, then we can probably look for longs. And you could have taken this long yesterday. You had a few times to get in to scalp this long and short. We didn't get a complete resolve yesterday. As a matter of fact, we started moving up during Asia, London. So a few things I'm looking for this morning. They flushed us down yesterday. Big volume came in. Bunch of longs got liquidated, and we started reversing from there. This would have been a high tail sign to, look for a long, potential long. So right now we're sitting above the daily VWAP. Looks like we're trying to come back and touch the weekly VWAP, and as you can see, we keep rejecting on the weekly VWAP. We came above the weekly VWAP, we're rejecting on the month to date VWAP, and came on down. Back tested the weekly VWAP. It started pushing down. Came back to it and tested it again. Rejection, more down. So I think the obvious play is if we come up here to the week to date, we're looking for shorts. If we break out of the week to date, we back test the week to date, then we could be looking for longs up here to the month to date VWAP. If we, and this is for New York, so if we fail this, we come down, or we start breaking down now, and we come back down here to our daily VWAP and try to find some local support on the lower time frame, then we could be looking for potential long right here, since seeing as our daily VWAP is inside of our weekly VWAP and we've already established some support here. It would be an okay play, an okay place to look for a long. Back to the weekly or the simple moving average with your stop under the weekly golden pocket for a decent scalp right there. Or shorting the week to date, of course, has been the easy trade. But right now we've technically flipped our daily golden pocket, and we have established some support right here. Now it's not a major support area, but just locally established and could be easily taken out. So if we come back down here to our daily VWAP and our daily VWAP doesn't hold, we come down. Same thing for the weekly. We back test the daily and start making our way down. Then we'll be looking back at what we were looking for yesterday, 64 range at our 4-day golden pocket, if not lower. But it's the same thing like here. If we come down here, we can establish some support and then start making our way back up. So a few options this morning. The short is here, or the long is here. And that's really all we got for right now for the information that they've given us. I'm not 100% sure that we're going to start breaking out here. But if we do start breaking out here, I don't have any positions. So, I would look for a breakout of the week to date and then a back test of it for continuation up here to the month to date, and or look for shorts here the month to date for our 9-day golden pocket. That is how I'm looking at things. So, got any questions? Drop them in the chat or the Discord. Come into the Discord, leave a comment, let me know what's going on. Hope y'all have a good day.